it's about football shoe. How important the football shoe for you? Do you have any nickname for your shoe maybe before?
Ah, this is for me is all my life I play with boots. I like too much because I like sprinting, running, and this is boots is for me. This is my favorite. This is style, speed boots.
Okay. Do you have nickname maybe?
Um, Before I'm like Flash because I'm like too much sprint and I always have this nickname before is my boot Flash Flash boots.
Okay. Do you do you remember when you've got your first shoes? It's a gift or from your parents or maybe you buy it yourself. Do you still remember how much the price?
Oh, this is long time, but my first shoes I had 10 years or 10 years, and by no by my parents is gifting my running shoes, my boot shoes. This is my parents give me, and by I have it 14 years. I buy my first boots. I remember this price in Brazil at 300 real. I transferred for Indonesia. I think in one trip that my first boots.
Is there any unique story about the football boots for you?
I think for me, a good moment in my first goal professional. I have 16, 17 years. My first game in professional with my team Brazil, and my first match I scored one goal. It is for me is good memory for me.
Okay. Which one is more important for you, design or comfort?
I mean, speak before this my characteristic. This for me is first boot is comfortable and very light. And sleep. For me, this is perfect boots.
Okay, this is about Indonesian football players, or maybe football players playing in Indonesia. Best partner on the pitch on your career in Indonesia.
I'm from Indonesia, 2009.
Maybe
My first club.
yeah, maybe for Persikabo.
Yeah, that was my first club. I have good memories. I like so much. This is I'm from Indonesia. This is my first club in Indonesia. I always grateful opportunity for play and from Persib.
Okay, your best partner, your best partner, your best teammate, your best teammate during your career in Indonesia.
Not Marco?
David Susu.
This in Persib have good guys, good people, but I have facility with David Silva because he's from Brazil, and I always is from training together, always together. But Persib had too much good guys, and Mark and Nick, Ezra, Beltran, Albert, and local players. It's very good.
Okay, now the best opponent or the toughest defender in Indonesia. Maybe can Indonesian players or foreign players? Okay.
For me, always versus Bali United.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I have friends in Bali United and always coach tackle speak for killing me in game. He always have very hard game.
Sorry, the players. You remember the name of players? The
Uh,
tough defender maybe,
I think always versus Bali United.
but you don't mention the players.
No.
Leonard.
William Pacheco.
Oh,
Pacheco.
yeah. Okay. Now the best player in Liga Indonesia now.
Now, for numbers and performance, this is number one now in numbers for Lily Pali.
Lily Pali.
Yeah, this for numbers is now. But for star have the most good players, have Mark, have is very good story in Indonesia. Have another player Spasovic, have good times in Liga One. But now for me it's Lily Pali because it's good performance with Borneo and good goals and good assistance and good numbers.
Yeah, hopefully he can get call-ups from national team, right?
What?
Hopefully he can get call-ups.
Join national team.
Sorry.
You join
Join
national
national
team.
team.
Uh,
Because Lily Pali not yet joined national team.
for me speak what?
We said hopefully Lily Pali can go to national team again.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's good for Indonesia, but this is his decision. Need respect for coach because coach understand because coach see our matches, see our play. This is for I'm coaching Indonesia. Of course, Lily Pali from national team, but people need respect decision coach.
Okay, thank you very much. Sir.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Sean.
Unique story. Saya baru bicara dengan Nabi. Saya waktu itu masih di Specs, kontak sama Specs, tapi kontak mau habis. News take over national team. Terus kita ada photoshoot dari timnas untuk baju baru. Mereka pilih saya untuk model. Terus waktu itu kita bicara, oh bisa gabung Mills juga buat sepatu. Saya bilang tidak ada sepatu, Mills tidak punya sepatu bagus buat saya. No, kita bisa bikin semua kamu mau. Terus momen ini adalah momen pertama yang saya tahu Mills, saya ketemu mereka, tim sangat baik. Terus ini momen pertama saya gabung Mills dan I think the rest is history from now because the things we make is amazing and I'm really happy with the products we deliver and ada banyak produk lain nanti datang lagi. Tapi ini mulai dengan story market bersama Mills.
Okay, maybe this is not on the list, but I just curious. This is good business decision for you. As we know, you maintain your image, your business. What do you think about joining with Mills?
I think for Mills is very good business decision. Nah, pasti buat saya juga karena untuk promo, untuk brand, untuk semua di lapangan dengan nama saya sendiri juga pasti lebih bagus. We always have to look at the marketing side of things as well. But yang penting, the most important is the quality first. Quality ada nomor satu role-nya sebelum marketing, sebelum brand, sebelum business kan. Quality harus baik dan saya pilih selalu kualitas, quality over quantity. So despite the quality, after the quality check is done, we can think, gimana kita bisa market kita sendiri, kita market produk, kita market semua hal lain setelah di luar lapangan juga. Dan saya pikir itu match sekali.
So overall, it's better business than before, right?
I think yes.
Perfect. Perfect answer. Okay. How important the football shoe for you? Do you have a nickname for your football shoe before or now?
Sangat penting seperti saya bilang sebelumnya, quality sangat penting karena saya tidak perform di lapangan, semua hal lain turun juga kan. Saya tidak ada bisnis, saya tidak ada nama, produk tidak jalan, prestasi sama klub jelek, fans hancur saya. Terus produk harus baik, quality harus baik dan seperti saya bilang tadi, ini musim paling bagus buat saya karena statistik musim ini terlalu top. If I compare to the last 7 years, this is the most effective season for me in terms of numbers. So I think Mills also has its contribution in that.
Okay. Do you have any nickname for your football shoes before? Give some nickname for this is I don't know the strong or the comfort or I don't know maybe in Dutch language.
In Dutch language.
Yeah.
To be honest, I don't really have a nickname.
Okay.
We always look which kind of shoes we make, and then we decide to name the shoe based on the material we choose and everything. But for sure, yeah, I think not a specific name.
Okay. Did you remember when you got your first shoes? It's a gift from your parents or maybe you buy by yourself? Still remember how much the price?
Yeah. Question baik. Waktu itu saya sangat idolaku David Beckham. Dan setiap Predator dia pakai, saya harus beli juga. Dan mama dan papa sampai gila, mereka bilang, ini mahal sekali, kenapa mau ini terus? Saya bilang harus yang benar, yang mahal. Kalau yang tidak mahal, saya tidak performance baik. Terus, I think mungkin harga waktu itu mungkin sampai 3 juta.
In rupiah?
Ya, in rupiah 200 euros.
Okay.
Dan ini uang sangat besar karena saya masih kecil. Tapi yang penting dari waktu muda sepatu bola harus yang benar.
Sepatu bola harus yang paling bagus.
Yang paling bagus.
Okay. So that's the unique story about your football shoes. Or maybe you have your another unique story?
No, ini adalah story yang benar karena waktu kecil saya idolisasi Beckham. Terus Beckham punya Predator sendiri. Terus setiap Predator datang saya juga harus ada. Seperti kalau saya main di lapangan, saya rasa saya seperti Beckham mainkan. Terus setelah beberapa tahun lagi saya di Indonesia, saya punya sepatu sendiri juga. Ini adalah mimpi untuk semua pemain bola saya pikir. Karena semua mungkin anak kecil sekarang datang ke Mio Shop untuk beli produk MK. Dan itu sangat funny dan juga inspirational I think because waktu saya mulai saya beli sepatu Beckham, sekarang orang beli sepatu Marco.
Yes, that's that story. Yeah.
Great story.
Okay. So which one is more important for you, design or comfort? Maybe it's you already answered that, but yeah.
Both. Comfort mungkin nomor satu, tapi desain penting juga karena dengan desain kalau saya lihat ke bawah di lapangan, saya harus lihat sepatu yang baik dengan desain baik. Karena tidak, saya tidak punya percaya diri.
Design make you lebih percaya diri.
Lebih percaya diri.
So this is about football players in Indonesia. Best partner on pitch on your career in Indonesia, the whole career.
I think dari waktu Makassar dengan William Pulun kita punya koneksi sangat baik. Yeah.
Because of that connection or anything else?
I think kita punya quality sangat berbeda dan but we fill each other on, you know. Dia sangat baik dengan bola, dengan dribble, dengan skill. Waktu itu saya dapat bola kasih ke dia, bergerak untuk ruang di belakang, tapi koneksi sangat baik. Juga kita bisa bicara bahasa Belanda waktu itu. Mungkin opponent tidak mengerti, kita punya sedikit advantage. Tapi ya partner itu paling baik di hidup saya dan juga di karya di Indonesia. Tapi ada banyak pemain lain yang bagus. Mungkin di national team saya juga banyak chemistry sama Ricky Kambuaya dulu, main di Persib juga sebelumnya. Sekarang sama Denny saya punya koneksi sangat baik.
Speaking about William Quinn, that's why you maybe you already talk to the club, talk to the person, try to sign him before or something.
I'm not an agent, tapi no, waktu dia kontrak selesai sama Makassar, ada opsi, ada momen saya bisa bantu mungkin gabung ke sini, tapi momen tidak tidak pas. Dia pilih Borneo, sangat baik buat dia. Saya senang dia sukses di sana.
But you're a competitor right now.
Ya, tapi kompetitor bagus karena competition makes us better, right? Make us more hungry, make us more aware, more alert. it shows us as well that sometimes you think you're good and then your competitor does better and then you're like, hey, I need to step up because I don't want him to be better than me. So I think that's a good thing. Competition is a good thing.
Thank you. So, how about best opponent? Your tough, maybe any other midfielder, the strongest midfielder in Indonesia, your opponent, or maybe your maybe defender. It's okay.
I was speaking to Susah.
Very hard to take on, very hard to pass him. Defender.
I cannot tell you right now. This is something I have to think about. I mean, we play against so many players, and there are so many good players and difficult players. But to name one that I say that's the toughest.
But maybe recently, this year, you remember somebody. Oh wow, he's so strong. Maybe this.
I think Kediri, maybe Renan Silva with Sevalente. I think they were good, technical, very strong, good players. If I have to remind myself of one game that I say, good opponents in midfield, I say them.
So, how about best player in Liga Indonesia? Right?
Best player in Liga Indonesia. Yeah, I think if we talk about numbers, in football, it's for me it's about statistics, right? And everyone has opinions, and everyone can say that he likes a player or he don't like a player. Mungkin ada orang bilang oh ini bagus, tapi orang lain bilang ini tidak bagus. Tapi kalau kita lihat fact-nya, statistik aja, harus pilih Lili Pali. Kontribusi sangat baik, banyak goal, banyak assist. Ada lain. Ya kalau kita lihat numbers, saya pilih Zidane.
Okay, this is not on the list question, but I just this stories about your another teammates in new teammates in national team, Justin and Ivar.
Yeah.
What do you think about that pair, Justin and Ivar? Despite they make you not playing, but what do you think about it?
Di sepak bola adalah momen kamu main, kamu hebat, adalah momen datang kamu tidak main, dan semua hal kamu harus terima. The positive, the negative. This is football, first of all. Untuk Justin sama Iva, saya sangat senang mereka gabung. Mereka masih muda, tapi sudah banyak kontribusi. Mereka main baik. I think they have a bright future ahead of them. So the thing I can only say and hope, and yang saya bicara sama mereka juga, stay humble. This is just a start, and from here make your career better and brighter and go to the top and don't settle just for that, because we know in Indonesia people can hype you up really fast, and this can be a problem for young players because pemain muda sudah percaya sama opini dari orang, dari netizen, sudah pikir mereka mungkin saya bintang dan nanti setelah itu performance turun. Netizen juga ganti cepatnya, setelah itu netizen hancur. Tapi yang penting mereka stay humble, mereka main bagus, kerja terus. Then they have to look to the future, I mean, they are doing well right now, and I support them. I'm happy for them they play. At the same time, I can kill them because I didn't play. But I said that's competition, and in the end, the coach makes the decisions, and the good, the best, you have to accept it. The only thing you can control is your effort and your attitude, and I think that's the most important.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you very much.